Hello everyone, welcome back to Amin Maths Club. Today we have a nice Olympiad problem, that is a simplification problem. So we have to just simplify this minus 1 to the power square root of pi. So we have to just simplify this. Now here we have this minus 1 to the power square root of pi. Now if we just use that Euler's identity, so according to we have Euler's identity, that is Euler's identity is given by that exponential, that is e to the power pi, and I plus 1 is equal to 0. So here if we just shift this plus 1 to our right hand side, we get e to the power pi I is equal to minus 1. So here we have this minus 1, we see that e to the power pi times I, which is iota, is equal to minus 1. So this minus 1, here we have also minus 1 to the power square root of pi. Now here we get minus 1 to the power square root of pi, that is equal to, as minus 1 is equal to this one, so we are going to put e to the power pi times I whole to the power square root of pi. Now here we have, as we know that according to algebraic identity, if we have a to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power m times n, then pi times I times square root of pi. So here we have that minus 1 to the power square root of pi is equal to this exponential e to the power pi I times, here we get square root of pi. Now we see that in this exponent, pi is here we just write like e to the power pi times square root of pi into I. So here we have e to the power, this e to the power pi times pi to the power, this square root can be written as 1 over 2 whole to the power I multiply by I. So here we have that e to the power pi can also be written as that e to the power this pi times this pi can be written as that pi to the power 1 over 2 can be written as that 1 pi to the power 1 over 2, and here we have 1 times I, as we know that if we have a to the power m times a to the power n, it is equal to a to the power m plus n. So applying here we get e to the power this pi to the power 1 plus 1 over 2, pi to the power 1 plus 1 over 2, and times this I. Now here we have e to the power pi to the power, just taking to is least common multiple, so we have 2 plus 1 is 3 over 2, and with this I. Now here we have our left hand side is minus 1 to the power square root of pi. Now using Euler's equation, that is according to Euler equations, here we have that e to the power theta times I is equal to cos theta plus I times sine theta. So here we get our angle is actually, here we have our theta is, that is 3 over 2. So applying this equation here, then we will get minus 1 to the power pi square root is equal to, here we have that cos, our angle is 3 over 2, so we just write this pi and this 3 over 2, hence we have pi to the power 3 over 2. So here angle is pi to the power 3 over 2. So pi to the power 3 over 2 plus I times sine pi to the power 3 over 2. So here we get our final answer, that minus 1 to the power this square root of pi is equal to cos pi to the power 3 over 2 and plus I times sine, here we have pi to the power 3 over 2. So it is our simplest form of this problem by using interesting equation, that is Euler equation. So we have just find out our answer here. Now just review our problem here step by step. I hope you have really enjoyed this video, so don't forget to subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.